Hello everyone, this is ISE 2020 and we KONKA Group, KONKA companies from China, we are located in Shenzhen. And currently here we have already brought like 4 types of products. First and also most highlight products is our macro LED products. It's like the pixel pitch is 0.6. The smallest in the whole exhibition, I think. And also we can do 4K or even 8K with very, very nice design and also very, very exit production for this product. Because last year, KONKA has invested $220 million US to set up a new production line for the macro LED. And the first macro LED production line in China factory, you know. And also, so currently for research, development, and also production, assembly, everything, every step is finished in our own KONKA factory. This is one product. And here we also have the normal LED displays products, like this one is a 3.9 outdoor rental product, 500 by 500 millimeter. And also the LED curtain mesh, which we have installed in the Europe Parliament building in 2019. And this is a normal, like the digital signage product. The LCD digital signage product sizes can be covered from 32 inch to 65 inch, which is quite used for the advertisement for the media companies. Okay?